Mr. President, ano tawag natin doon sa nag-constitute kayo as an impeachment court? Nag-robe pa kayo. You even sent out summons. Ano yun?
Mr. President, may I venture to answer the question of Senator Soto nung tinanong niya, ano to? Diba? Ano to yung nag-robe, etc. Nasagot na po kasi ni Sara Geronimo yon. Nung sinabi niya kay Coco Martin, there was never an us. There was never an us. Sinabi kasi ng Supreme Court na void ab initio to. But sabi ng Supreme Court, there was never an us, ibig sabihin, void ab initio. However, human nature is that if we do not do anything, people will say it's pending.